Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Carmageddon rogue shift game, crashing or not launching, not opening, lagging, freezing, showing black screen or several other issues on PS5. So let's jump to the solutions. The very first method is to restart your PlayStation. One of the best way to fix the issue is by restarting the PS5 first. It will resolve the temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. Just open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller, then select power button and then select restart PS5. Once your PS5 restarts, check if the game is opening or not. If not, next method is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5 first, then hold down power button unless two beep sound occur. Now leave the power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller by USB cable and then select rebuild database. After that, launch the game and check. If not, next method is to sign out and sign into PS5. For that, go to settings first and tap on users and accounts. Next, go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into the PS5 account and then check for the error. If not, next is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings, then go to system. Here select language option in the left sidebar, then select current language. After that, change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, next solution is to delete games save file PS5. For that, open settings on PS5 menu. Now select save data PS5. Here select upload or delete from console storage and then select the game, and after that launch the game and check. If not, next method is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, go to settings on your PS5, then click on network, click on settings and set up network connection. Here click on options. Under Wi-Fi frequency you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. If not, next solution is to check for game update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure to check for an update option, and after updating the game, now try to launch it and check if it's working. If not, next is to check PS5 overheating. So make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will surely help to fix the issue. Next solution is to restore licenses. For that, open settings, click on users and accounts, move down to others on left panel. Now select restore licenses. After that, select the game and then click on restore. Finally confirm by selecting yes. Next method is to install software updates on PS5. For that, open settings on your PS5, then select system. Now go to system software, then select system software update and settings. After that, select update system software if any update is available, and finally select update using internet option. Next solution is to reset your console settings. For that, launch settings on your PS5 and move to system. Now select reset options under system software. Here select reset default settings. At last, select restore option. Next method is to reinstall Carmageddon rogue shift game. For that, first highlight the game on your PS5 and press options on your controller. Now select delete and confirm it. Finally, restart your PS5 and install the game again to check if the error is resolved or not. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So when nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. I have already provided the link in the description. You just have to open it and explain the issue you are coming across and send it to the support team. Hopefully the support team will try to resolve it from their end and you can play the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.